Klay, I don't think anyone's harder on themselves than you are when your shot is not where you want it to be. Is there a mental side to it?
No, I'm not hard on myself at all, to be honest. I care, but I don't lose sleep over it.
No, I understand what you mean. I know you're very competitive, and I know you want to be there for your team, and if your shot's not quite where you want it to be...
Well, I'm there for our team. We're in first place.
That's true.
They're every single night.
You're an excellent defender as well.
They're every single night.
What would you like to see come through on your shot a little bit more?
I don't know, more makes. Just make the shots more. It's that simple.
How old do the questions about the shooting slump get?
I don't care. I don't think it's a shooting slump. Really don't. Just, especially, like I said, I don't care.
What do you think it is if it's not a slump?
I don't know. What do you think it is? Only in first place?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Your percentage of mid-ranges are up this year, just that you're taking a lot more. Is there a reason for that?
No, just take what the defense gives me. And, if they can give me mid-range shots, I'm going to knock them down. I'm going to shoot them.
Klay, knowing the team's success aside, generally Steve has often said when shots you take that you normally make don't go in, a lot of times it has to do with the ball moving and you where it is. What's your overall perspective with that, with where things are?
I think we can do a better job with moving the ball, and I think we will. We've been harbored by injuries this year, so we haven't been able to get in a great rhythm like we have in the past, especially just the way we started the season. But I think to be better, and we'll get better.
Teammates, talking to KD, Steph, you guys, they all are used to seeing you shoot better, but they also at the same time that we're still with him, we're still going to support him. We believe we have faith in him that the shot's going to start to fall. How do you feel to have your teammates back you up like that?
I hope they do. I would think they would say that. Shoot, I think if they said I was going to fall, it'd be scary, and I'd rather have it fall come playoff time than December. And just because I've had a few bad games in a row, I'm not going to worry about not shooting the ball well. I'm one of the best shooters ever played, so I don't really care what people say.
Steph also said that sometimes we want to stay in his ear, meaning I guess that we want to keep communicating with you. Do you get a lot of people talking to you about your shot at all?
No. What is someone going to tell me about my jump shot that I can't fix at this point? Unless it's Reggie Miller or Ray Allen, I don't know who I'm supposed to listen to. Larry Bird? Steve Kerr, I'll listen to Steve. Steve shot 45%. But other than that, it's like I've done this job for a long enough time. I know what I need to do.
Do you feel like you need to do anything? Does it feel?
Not really. Just have fun, play the game, play loose, let it fly. Don't be hesitant. Just do those things, and we'll be great.
Klay, you've said in the past, maybe when shots aren't falling the same, you look at other things as part of your game, whether it's attacking the basket, others. Well, how much do you see that as part of your approach?
Honestly, I don't even look at anything. I just try to go out there, have fun, and play hard. And if you do that, play with great focus. Play with great focus and play hard, you're going to be successful. That's what I'm going to keep doing. And at the end of the day, a shot might not be going as much as it should be, but we're still in a great position to reel off some wins and hold on to first place if we take care of business.
Well, this isn't your first rodeo, and your track record speaks for yourself. But what keeps you still having this mindset even when there are such games?
Like you said, track record. I wouldn't doubt myself because I've done too many great things to ever doubt myself. Stuff no one else has ever done, so I'm not going to worry about a slow start.
You guys hearing talk about offense, but you guys are number top in offensive rating. But the defense is in the middle of the pack. Do you think that's an area that you guys need to pick up?
Yeah, I think it's just dealing with intensity. I think when we're playing with something to lose, we're almost unbeatable. And it hasn't felt like that consistently this year, but I think now a few bad losses, especially at home, come out intensity because there's teams that are gunning for us.
Is it hard to bring top-notch defense all 82 then?
Yeah, in any sport. It's not just basketball, it's baseball, football, hockey. We play so many games that it's almost impossible to bring amazing energy every night, but you can do it 90% of the time rather than 100 and still be great.
For tonight's game, what have you come to know about Damian Lillard's tendencies from all the times you've seen him on the court?
I mean, he's aggressive from the jump, shoot it from anywhere, he can get to the rim. Great playmaker, so it's going to take a team effort to slow him down, and he's obviously one of the best talents in the NBA, especially scoring the ball.